is up, guys? If you're new to the channel, welcome. We are working on a full restoration on this 1995 Nissan 240SX. So today there's a lot of plans on getting this thing prepped and ready. First thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking everything out of the engine bay, getting it ready. Joe the man should be here in a few hours. He's going to be over here helping me get the rocker all set. And hopefully we can get this thing pretty much wrapped up today, so let's get into it. So the first thing I'm going to be working on today is I'm going to be removing everything out of this engine bay. I'm going to remove all the wiring harness. The wiring harness has to come out of this car anyways because it's for a KA and I'm not going to go KA. I would do LS, but it's too easy and I feel like doing something else that's going to be really cool. Hopefully soon I will be revealing that to you guys. But first, let's get in here and start removing everything out of this engine bay so I can get it prepped and ready for paint. Alright, it's over there. Alright, so I have the engine bay pretty much all cleared out in here. That took some effort. To get the wiring harness out, I had to take the complete dash out, so, which is fine. I already, you know, it's gonna make things easier for painting and everything, so, but look at who I found. That's right, Joe the man. Guess what Joe the man's here to do? He's here to fix the rocker, so he's gonna go over here and assess the situation, see what's going on, and we're gonna fix this rocker today. Alright, so Joe the man over here almost has this rocker out. Look at that. Came up with a plan. While he's over here finishing up, getting ready to weld this piece back in, I'm gonna start working on the Z32 brake upgrade. I'm super excited, I can't wait. I'll give you guys an update in a little while. So what we used was to fix this rocker, especially on this back here, was this piece right here. It's a full piece that goes from front to back. You can get these off from eBay. I'll leave a link in the description below, but they fit up perfectly. They're molded right for the S14s. They come in two pieces, so if your rocker isn't that bad, you can do the front too, but we didn't need to do that because this was rusted all the way up to here on the old rocker. So I ended up buying a new rocker just to replace the whole thing. It looks 100 times better than what it did, and it's solid. Doing the Z32 brake upgrade, I did have an issue where I did order the wrong rotors. I just got those in. I'm gonna be working on getting these in here and installed. Now, one thing that I did notice, I already did it on the other side to make sure everything was good before I show it on this side. The easiest way to do this is to remove axle out of the back here, because by removing the axle back here, you can actually get the wheel bearing out. If you are going to be doing any type of big upgrade where that, oh, there goes the gimbal. Getting new wheel bearings, because you are probably going to destroy them. Unfortunately, these were rusted in there so bad, I got new wheel bearings and I just am going to replace them. And if you are doing this upgrade, is this e-brake assembly from a Z32. So this goes in first, then the wheel bearing, in the caliper. It's quite simple. So let's get to installing this. Check those out. They're so much better. Now these I did have to buy used, but if we step over here to the front, you see I bought these brand new. You can still get these at O'Reilly's. We got bigger brakes all the way around the car, so they look awesome too. If you like this video, make sure to give the thumbs up, like, subscribe, leave a comment below. I think I'm gonna be giving away these P2M rotors. Just all you have to do is like and subscribe. Comment below if you got an idea of how I can give them away. Let me know what you think. For S13, these are 4 and 5 lug rotors. So the next video, I'm going to be working on test fitting the wheels. Probably gonna need to be rolling the fenders on this and getting the trunk pan in. I finally got the trunk pan in. I'm super stoked about that. So continue to watch. Thank you. Until next time, this video is over and I'll see you later.